If you're stuck wondering whether to price high or price to move, this video is for you. I'm Stephanie with Three Queens Resell, and I have been reselling for 7 years, full time for the past 4 years. And pricing continues to evolve for our reselling business. There is no one price fits all when it comes to reselling. The trick is knowing when each strategy actually will work. Let's talk about when to price high. I price high when brands are in demand or style is in demand. I'm not going to take a low ball offer on an aloe quarter zip sweatshirt. First of all, it's rare for me to find that, and that brand is trending right now. New with tag items or like new condition items that are rare, sizes that sell fast, plus size hard to find, and seasonal items before peak demand. So think like Valentine's Day themed things as we move towards February, but right now, not in a few months or weeks as we edge closer. You want to hit it right at the right time. Now, let's talk about when we need a price to move. And this is where I've made huge adjustments in my business just over the last 30 days. Since I primarily source at the Goodwill outlet, most of my items are bread and butter basics. So those you can move because they're easily to replenish each time I go to the bins. Items that have a lot of comps. So if I look up something like a Talbot's top, there are going to be thousands of those listed. But if I think it's unique, it's a good size, and it's maybe new at tag or great pre-owned condition, I can still pick it up, but I need to be able to flip that fast, nickel that style real quickly. Still inventory that has been sitting longer than whatever predetermined time that you think. Some people say 30 days, some people say 60. I kind of look at that 90 to 120-day time span. If it's been sitting with no attention, time to really go in and aggressively uh, reset the pricing. When cash flow matters more than the margins, if you have a bunch of inventory in boxes and you are running at a cash flow deficit, it is time to readjust your pricing, clear out some inventory, and bring in some cash. Those items are not doing you any good for your business in the boxes. The real secret that I am trying to perfect, friends, my real superpower move is pricing high on purpose and then using offers to likers to or closet clear out or offers to watchers to create urgency. But that is not going to work on bread and butter items where there are tons of them listed. So you need to kind of save that strategy for those more special, rare pieces. So tell me, are you team high price or team price to move? Or like me, a combination of? Drop your comment, drop your strategy in the comments down below. And friends, remember there's no right or wrong. It's always evolving. You just have to trust the process and do what is right for your small business. Follow me for more reselling tips and tricks, and let's grow our businesses together in 2026.